Hi, I'm Simona, and today I'm thrilled to introduce to you the updated Skoda Scala. I've got 60 seconds, so let's dive right in. The Scala is a compact hatchback that looks sporty and dynamic. LED matrix headlights are newly available for enhanced visibility and comfort. The daytime running light strip is split into two parts, creating a distinctive light signature. The new Scala offers 4 interior options, including the popular Monte Carlo with its sporty vibes. With a virtual cockpit as a standard, the dashboard is now fully digital. Plus, you're sure to stay connected with wireless smartphone charging featuring cooling technology. And as with every Skoda, the Scala is more than generous with space. Just look at the impressive 467-liter boot capacity. Under the bonnet, you'll find TSI petrol engines delivering outputs up to 110 kilowatts, available with both manual and automatic transmissions. So there you have it, the Skoda Scala, a car that commands attention on the streets. I've made my choice. What a beauty.
Skoda.